In this Bluehost review, I am going to show you everything that you need to know about Bluehost, including the pricing review, ease of use, speed test, customer support, and pros and cons. So make sure to watch the full video till the end. Also, if you're ready to make a Bluehost purchase after this review, then consider purchasing it from the below link and get yourself a discount if one's available. So Bluehost is the #1 recommended web hosting by WordPress, so this is a massive endorsement because WordPress is the world's most popular website builder. 39% of the web is built on WordPress, and this number keeps growing every time I look it up. So you should be very impressed by this recommendation from WordPress. Now let's talk about Bluehost pricing. I'll be reviewing their shared hosting as it is the best choice for beginners, although Bluehost also provides other types of hostings like dedicated and VPS hosting. So here you can see the 4 plans: Basic, Plus, Choice Plus, and Pro plan. The starting price is only $2.95 per month for their basic plan, and with this plan, you can create only one website. You're getting a free domain name for 1 year, 50 GB SSD storage, and free SSL as well. So if you want to create just one website, then you can choose their basic plan. But if you want to create multiple websites, then I recommend you to choose their Choice Plus plan, as both Plus and Choice Plus plan pricing are the same. Also with this plan, you're getting 2 more great features as well, which are free domain privacy and free automated backup for the first year. So choose the best plan for you and click on Select. And here you can create your free domain name. Simply choose the extension here and create your domain name. Or if you already have a domain name, then you can type it here. Or you can click on this "I'll create my domain later." So you can create your domain name later as well after purchasing this hosting. And fill out all your details here. Here you can choose the period. You can choose from 12 months or 36 months. The 12-month monthly price is only $2.95 per month, while if you purchase it for 36 months, then you have to pay $4.95 per month. So 3 years price will be $178.20. But if you purchase it for 12 months, then you only have to pay $35.40. But make sure unselect these extras to get this for only $35.40. Then finally, you have 2 payments options, one by credit card and the other using PayPal. Choose the payment method. Then scroll down, check this box, and click on Submit button. Then after completing the payment, you'll get all the details in your email. Now let's talk about Bluehost's ease of use. Right away from their home page, you can see that it looks very easy to navigate with the custom interface compared to the cPanel that most other hosting providers use. We believe navigating through the Bluehost dashboard is very simple. If you need to contact support, just click on this question mark and it will take you to the help page. But if you need to do something technical, you can still click on Advanced. And it will take you to the panel. To create a free email account, then from their Advanced panel, search for email accounts. Then click on Email Accounts. And click on Create. Then enter your username, password and create your account. Now, to install WordPress, then from the dashboard click on My Sites. Then click on Add Site. Choose your site name and tagline. Then fill out all your details. Choose the theme and plugins. Then install WordPress. So I would say that was a very easy process. Now let's talk about Bluehost speed and uptime performance test. So after I have installed the basic WordPress site, then I added some design elements to increase the page size. Also, I installed some free plugins like WP Fastest Cache, which is for speed optimization, Short Pixel, which is for image optimization. And lastly, I installed the Cloudflare CDN. This will help increase our site performance as well. Then I went ahead and tested out the speed of my site using the GT metrics. And the result is 2.5 seconds. And for this cheap web hosting, this speed is really good. They also passed the Google recommended page load speed of 3 seconds. Now then, we have also been monitoring the stability performance of Bluehost with an uptime robot, and can report that their uptime for the last 30 days is a perfect 100%. That's right, 0 minutes of downtime. So talking about the speed and performance of Bluehost, they are good enough. On the positive side, they are a very reliable host and their uptime was perfect, and we cannot fault them for that. Now let's talk about Bluehost customer support. Bluehost's 24/7 customer service team comes highly rated by so many people. With regards to their response time, we contacted him at 3 different times of the day to make sure we get an overall average and not just a bias fast response time during their off-peak hours. So that averages out to be around 30 seconds overall, which is one of the fastest hosting providers we have tested so far. So Bluehost has excellent support, and support is very important, because every minute that your website is down or not working properly could cost you hundreds of dollars in lost leads and sales. So as a website owner, having fast and reliable support to turn to is essential. Bluehost support is available 24/7 and 365 days a year at no extra cost, even on the basic plan. And you can access support on live chat, email, and phone. We like the live chat function because we've never had to wait long in the queue, and our issues have always been resolved quickly with their expert help. So if you're a newbie and you think you're going to need some help, then Bluehost is an excellent choice because of the great support. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of Bluehost. So the first pro is their 100% uptime performance. Next, they have easy-to-use dashboard for beginners. Also, they are #1 recommended by WordPress. They have best 24/7 customer support. And last, their starting price is also very low. Now talking about the cons. The first con is that they're trying to upsell a lot. And the last con is that they have a server located in the USA only. Now finally, let's talk about who should purchase Bluehost web hosting. So overall, Bluehost is the best cheap WordPress hosting you can choose. Their page load speed is not great, but with this cheap hosting, I think the speed and performance are really good enough. The dashboard is beginners friendly, and the best thing about Bluehost is their customer support. They have the best customer support in solving issues and also in response time. And lastly, they are also #1 recommended web hosting by WordPress as well. So that's why if you're looking for the cheap and best WordPress hosting as a beginner, then I think Bluehost is the right choice for you. Also, if you're ready to make a web hosting purchase after this video, consider purchasing it from the description link and get yourself a discount if one's available. You can subscribe to this channel to stay updated with more reviews videos like this. Thanks for watching.